Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install wire fraud prevention steps for investors, full guide step by step clearly. Before starting the installation of wire fraud prevention steps, ensure you have a clear understanding of potential threats. Begin by educating yourself about common wire fraud schemes targeting investors. Research the specific types of fraud relevant to your investment strategies and the methods fraudsters typically use. Implement multi-factor authentication for all online investment accounts. Choose a secure password manager to create and manage complex passwords. Regularly update all security software on your devices to protect against malware. Next, identify and verify any recipient's banking information before initiating any wire transfers. Establish a clear protocol for how financial transactions are conducted within your organization or personal finances. Communicate with your financial institutions about their security practices and ask if they have additional safeguards in place. Use encrypted email services for sensitive communications related to financial transactions. Conduct regular training sessions on wire fraud prevention for yourself and any personnel involved in financial decisions. Set up alerts for any large or unusual transactions on your accounts. Ensure that your internet connection is secure, avoiding public Wi-Fi for financial transactions. Regularly monitor your investment accounts and statements for any suspicious activities. Create a checklist of verification steps to follow before any wire transfer, including verbal confirmation with the recipient. Document all wire transfer procedures and make updates as necessary. Review your insurance options that cover losses from fraud to ensure you are adequately protected. Stay updated on new fraud prevention technologies and tools available in the market. Share your knowledge with fellow investors to build a community of awareness around wire fraud prevention. Always be cautious and trust your instincts. If something feels off, investigate further before proceeding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.